Hey my loves, and a warm welcome back to my channel. We are finally in the last stretch of our 1 wig 3 looks video with this gorgeous 360-degree lace wig. Guys, if you've been with me throughout this trilogy, we did the 360 updo, half up, half down, and now we are here with these gorgeous bouncy flexi rod curls. Guys, if you're here with me right now, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post new content, guys. And also, if you guys want to see how I achieved these curls, which turned into another 3 looks, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so we're gonna start off with brushing our hair through with a diamond brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start separating the hair. We're gonna go straight in and install the flexi rods. So I've got my section at the back, and I'm just gonna spritz it with pure water from my spray bottle, and then I'm gonna brush the water through it with my diamond brush, and then I'm going in with my curling mousse, and then I'm basically going to start with a 1.4 centimeter flexi rods at the back of the hair. And the mistake that I made, guys, is the curling mousse. I should have went ahead with the Flex natural hold mousse, which I am currently using over here. So guys, I only used the curling mousse for the first row, which was a big mistake, guys. Use a natural hold mousse to achieve the best style. If you use a curling mousse, the hair is not going to hold the style in place, as you guys will see when I take these flexi rods out. So we're basically doing the same technique throughout the hair. As you guys can see, I curl the ends of the hair around the flexi rods. Guys, did you see that you could actually honestly use these flexi rods to create what are those called? Finger coils, but what do they call them? Flexi rod we would call them flexi rod coils. So yeah guys, I'm basically using the same technique throughout the hair, and in the front we are using a smaller size flexi rods. I think it's 0.8 centimeter flexi rods in the front. So the same technique, we spritz the water, the natural hold mousse, and then we apply the flexi rods. I'm using smaller flexi rods in the front because I want a tighter curl in the front and looser curl at the back. Here I am making my center part, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that natural mousse on the hair in the front so that it's already laying as flat as possible. Guys, you need to condition the hair from the beginning of the style. Guys, the reason why we're spritzing the hair, we want it to be damp, because when the flexi rod and all the mousse is set in place, it's gonna dry in the position that you put it in, and it just gives the hair a better curl. That is why we dampen the hair first, and we just do the same thing throughout. What we did in the back, we do to the front, and here we are done. And I'm gonna let the hair dry overnight so that it's completely dry in the morning. Okay, first of all, my face is freaking dry. Let's handle that real quick. Guys, I use the Rooibos face cream. It's absolutely amazing. Anyways, moving right along, I'm gonna go ahead and tame my edges with the black Got2b gel. And then what we're gonna do right here is just put the wig on our head, and then make sure that the line is in the middle, otherwise that would really suck. And then I'm going in with the black Got2b gel, and I'm putting 2 thin layers, and I'm going in with my hair dryer, and then we are going to go in with the freeze spray blow dry for 20 seconds, and then we are going to glue our wig down. Guys, if you guys want to see a slow down version of how I install my wigs, once again I'm gonna link it in the cards below. Go and check out my 360-degree lace wig install. I'm going in with my rat tail comb and just pressing down so that the lace melts in with the glue, and I'm going to do that with the sides as well. And guys, by the ear tab, I do put a little bit more glue because the ear tabs, if you wear wigs, you know. If you wear wigs, you know the ear tabs are the hardest to freaking gel down. And you guys can see my little gremlin jumping on the bed at the back there. He is still home, guys. How are all the moms doing during this lockdown, guys? It's not easy, huh? So yeah, guys, what I do to the front, I'm gonna do to the sides, and then yeah, let me be quiet and let you guys watch the video, or just the install, and then I'll be back. Back, baby, I am back. Okay, guys, in the next part of the video, yes, baby, in the next part we are just gonna take the flexi rods off. Guys, I am being super gentle. I know it doesn't look like it because it's spit out, but I'm really being super gentle. And I did make a mistake in the back. I went in with the Perfect Touch curl mousse. I should have started with the natural mousse. You guys can see the natural mousse has a hold to it, whereas the curl defining mousse doesn't have a hold to it. So the first flexi rod at the back, the curls are a lot looser than the rest of the curls in the hair. You guys will see later on in the video, I actually had to clip it up a bit because it was looking like a freaking mullet, even though it was just a little piece of the back and I'm being extremely dramatic. But yeah, if you don't mind it, it's all good. I didn't really mind it that much because I wanted the curls in the front to look to be tighter than the curls at the back. That was the look I was going for. So just for the sake of the video, I tied it up a bit. So yeah, guys, we are on the last flexi rod over here, and once we take that off, we are just going to gently, okay, gently, be gentle, okay, I'm gonna use my man voice, be gentle, separate the curls, otherwise you're gonna get some frizzerization. Okay, look at how beautiful these curls are looking, guys. Here wear hair, guys, that's all I'm gonna say. Here wear hair. The hair quality is amazing. Can you even imagine this is the same wig that we started off with the 360, the same wig that we did the half up half down sleek straight style with, and look at it, absolutely ravishing. The curls are so bouncy. Look at the frizz over there, guys. What I was talking about, I was being a little rough with my hands on the left hand side, my right. How annoying. But please be gentle, guys, and separate the curls gently. This is really do or die right now. It's frizz or not, okay? So yeah, guys, just separate the curls, fluff it up with your hands. You guys can even go in with a afro comb and really volumize the hair. I don't do that because on day 2 on its own the hair is going to be a lot bigger than it is right now. I think I should do another video just to show how the hair looks. This is how the hair looks just with the middle part. You guys can see the bottom, what I was talking about the curls being looser. I don't mind it. If you do, use the small flexi rods throughout your hair, or you can do it like me but use a holding mousse, not a curl defining mousse like I did for the first section. And then here I am basically going to I'm just playing with it, guys. Okay, just play with it, see what style works for you, what frames your face better. The middle part was not doing nothing for me, honey. I'm going in with my argan oil lightweight spray, and yeah, honey, I'm liking the bang, but let's see, because I really just want to see what other styles I can do with the hair. As you can see, guys, I'm trying to fix that frizz over there. Some oil, and then you just twirl the hair in your on your finger. I'm just mumbling at this state, but guys, it looks so cute. This is such a cute little summer look with a little, I don't know, with a little maxi dress. guys, with some sandals, a little picnic. Yes. And because I'm a Virgo and we are literally never satisfied, I am literally going to try and get another look out of this wig. We're just gonna go ahead and tie up a little bit of the front and get a really cute curly half up half down style. And then I'm just breaking up the hair, guys, fluffing as I go. Guys, I'm so happy I created this 1 wig 3 looks series, because this is what hair is all about. It's about us having fun and getting the most out of our wigs, guys. And that's basically it, y'all. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video if you care, and be sure to click on the notification bell so that you guys are notified when I do post a brand new video. Hi my loves, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post a brand new video.